Hello everyone and thank you for joining me today. We are from B School. I along with Pavni and Vinay are here to present a case study of ICICI Bank digital transformation journey. In this presentation, we are going to explore a fascinating case study of strategic business transformation within the financial sector. Specifically, we'll be examining the journey of ICICI Bank. These are the content that we're going to cover in the upcoming slides. For those unfamiliar, ICICI Bank is one of India's largest and most prominent private sector bank, known for its extensive network and wide range of financial products and services. It has consistently been at the forefront of banking innovation in India, serving millions of customers across various segments. In the mid-2010, this established institution found itself at a critical turning point, facing challenges from a rapidly evolving market. The central problem statement for ICICI Bank was, how could a large traditional and regulation-bound financial institution pivot quickly and decisively to become a digital-first bank? This wasn't about adding a few online services. It was about fundamentally transforming both its customer-facing touchpoints and its internal culture to remain competitive and relevant in rapidly evolving global financial service landscape. Let's set the stage by looking at broader industry context and background, specifically focusing on the landscape in the mid-2010. This period saw the significant and disruptive rise of agile fintech startups. These new players entered the financial sector with a distinct advantage: their mobile-first services. They offered instant digital payment, streamlined process for quick loans, and innovative investment options that were often far more accessible and user-friendly than the traditional banking services. Consecutively, customer expectations began to shift dramatically. They no longer just wanted banking services, but fast, seamless, and experience that minored the convenience of other digital platforms they used daily. This fundamentally reshaped what it meant to provide banking services. However, traditional banks, including established giants like ICICI, were hindered by several factors. They often operated with legacy systems, older, complex IT infrastructure that were difficult and expensive to modify. Now, I would like Pavni to explain further.
Now, to tackle this challenge, ICICI Bank developed a comprehensive digital transformation roadmap. This wasn't just about adding a mobile app, it was about overhauling their approach to technology, customer experience, and internal processes. They used frameworks like technology adoption lifecycle and omni-channel strategy. They helped them understand how to roll out new digital products across different user segments. Key initiatives included developing the iMobile banking app, one of the most advanced apps in Indian banking, deploying AI-powered chatbots like iPal to handle queries 24/7, fully digitalizing key services like eKYC, personal loans, and home loans. This strategic blueprint was designed to not only modernize operations but also foster an innovation-driven culture internally. Let's talk about the key initiatives taken up by ICICI Bank to improve its customer experience and also to enhance the ability to enter into the tech-dominated field. With the strategy in place, the new step was execution. ICICI rolled out paperless onboarding, instant KYC services, and integrated platform across mobile and desktop. They also invested in training their workforce to adopt a new digital tool, driving a shift in mindset towards agility and innovation. Moreover, the AI-driven part of it and analytics played a key role in personalizing customer experience. For example, iPal could answer thousands of queries instantly, helping reduce turnaround time and improving customer satisfaction. Their mobile app became one-stop shop from investments to insurance to loans and UPI payment. Taking up the initiatives implemented by ICICI Bank, now the solutions will be discussed by Vinay.
So here I am with the solution and organizational impact. So the key results here could be seen that the impact was a far-reaching. ICICI's core banking operations became faster, more data-driven, and scalable. Processes that took days, like loan approvals or KYCs, could be done now within 30 minutes. More than 90% of the retail transactions shifted to digital channels. This brought down operational cost while also improving service ability. Customer satisfaction scores rose, especially among digital-first users. ICICI gained the reputation of being the most responsive and agile among India's large banks. And critically, ICICI was able to retain and even expand its market share in urban centers. Despite intense competition from fintechs and new age banks, this transformation wasn't just skin deep, it became part of ICICI's DNA, affecting how they recruited, how they served customers, and how they measured success. So a major driver of this success was strategic partnership, for instance, with Piramal Finance and PhonePe. With Piramal Finance, ICICI partnered for co-lending, improving credit accessibility in semi-urban and rural areas. This specially helped with the home loans and loans against property. And with PhonePe, ICICI enabled instant credit card on UPI through the PhonePe app, with pre-approved users could avail up to 2 lakh for short-term use and repayable within 45 days. So these partnerships extended the ICICI's reach and helped in innovate faster by leveraging external ecosystem. And the final outcome of our case study, outcome and competitive advantage, which helped ICICI becoming a market leader. Like today, ICICI Bank is viewed as the pioneer in digital banking in India. They turned a potential crisis into an opportunity to leap ahead of the curve. Their early adoption of digital tools gave them a strong first mover advantage. Unlike many legacy banks, ICICI now set benchmarks from the others. What started as a defensive move turned on into a long-term strategic differentiator. From our lessons from the ICICI transformation, so that we can learn from ICICI's journey, is the first: embrace disruption early, in which we can tell that waiting can be fatal. Second, invest in customer-first technology, not just back-ended systems. Third, culture transformation is as important as tech innovation. Fourth, the strategic partnerships can accelerate growth and innovation. So here we all can say that ICICI's journey shows that even traditional giants can become agile with the right vision, frameworks, and execution. Thank you so much for watching our presentation. We hope this gave you a valuable insight into how business can reinvent themselves and through technology. We are happy to take any questions. Thanks again.